Easy crockpot dinner under $10. We're starting off with our shredded hash browns for $3.42, kielbasa for $2.97, cream of mushroom for 74 cents, one onion for $1.22 a pound, and a block of cheese for $1.87. Okay, that was my kielbasa sausage that I cut into coins. We're gonna bring in our crock pot and put that whole thing into our crock pot. Now we have our shredded frozen hash browns. This one is the 26 ounces. That's all you need for this. Go ahead and break up those big chunks. We don't want any big chunks. Okay, we broke that up, and now I'm coming in with my onion that I diced, and we are going to add that right into our crock pot. I did dice that entire onion so that we have a lot of flavor. Now I'm coming in with my mushroom soup, and we are going to add this entire thing into our crock pot for this super easy $10 dinner. I am so excited to get this cooking. It is so yummy. It's one of my favorite dinners. Now, obviously you can adjust this to your liking. If you like the Campbell's soup better, use the Campbell's, but I wanted to keep this as affordable as possible, so using the Great Value was the best way to do that, but we are getting all of that in there. Perfect. Okay, and we have that block of sharp cheddar cheese that we need to grate, and you guys know we're using my favorite grater, and we're gonna go ahead and grate this entire thing so that we can add our 8 ounces of cheddar cheese right into our crock pot. Now you can do whatever cheese you like. I just think sharp cheddar cheese is a nice little spunky, addition to this dinner. Let's go ahead and make sure we get all of that cheese out. Perfect. And now we are gonna put that right into our crock pot. Ooh, this is coming together so fast. Only 5 ingredients, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, I put my food grade gloves on so that we can toss everything together. We can also keep on breaking up those potatoes, but we wanna make sure that everything gets mixed. That cream of mushroom is bringing all the flavor. We have our protein with that kielbasa. You can also add some seasonings to this, but I kinda wanted to keep it exactly at $10. But if you have some salt, some pepper already in your house, I would say go ahead and add it to this right now, but we're just making sure that everything gets nice and combined together. This is so great to just set it, in the morning, go to work and come back and it'll be perfectly cooked. All right, I think that looks like it is gonna be amazing. And those frozen hash browns are gonna add a lot of moisture to this as well. Okay, I'm gonna put my lid on and I'm gonna pop this on high so that we can get this cooking quick. Okay, our crock pot has been on high for 3 hours. Now, if you wanted to make this in the morning, you would put it on low for 6 to 8 hours. But let's go ahead and check out our easy 5-ingredient dinner under $10. Oh, it smells so good, that kielbasa. I'm excited. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. Oh yeah, perfectly cooked, cheesy, delicious. I mean, what is not to love? Okay, I cannot wait to give this a try. And serve this with some veggies, so I guess it's not really a full meal, but it's gonna be delicious regardless. That is delicious.